Hello friends, good morning. This is Grow with Ray. Today I'm going to show you a quick breakfast I make for myself before I go out in the morning. And why I eat this breakfast is because it doesn't really shoot my blood sugar up a lot. So I have a piece of bread here. I don't go for two. One is enough. And what I use is guacamole. And back home in Africa, we actually don't call this guacamole. We call it pear. On the other way, avocado pear. So these are what you need: avocado pear, one tomato, which you will actually not finish, your lime, which you will not finish because it will be too tangly, salt, black pepper, and my little mortar and pestle I got from Amazon. So let's get started. I'll make this guacamole breakfast. Why I eat this guacamole in the morning? Because it's easy to make. This is all I need this morning, and I'm gonna wrap the other one and keep it for tomorrow or in the evening. I love eating it a lot. So and because it's very good, it helps for blood pressure, it helps for blood sugar, and it also helps for skin. Then I'm gonna cut this one into two because I really don't need all of them. It will be too much. I'm gonna keep this for tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna cut a piece of lime. So the ones you're not using, trying to wrap it up and for the following day. So sorry guys, let me get mine. My spoon. Okay. Now we're gonna get the guacamole or the avocado pear inside this little mortar and pestle and mashed it a little. But remember, don't mash it too much. You don't want it to be for me, I don't know how you like it, but this is how I do my life. Is not one size fits all. How if I like it might not be how you like it. Okay, so that on the waist side, and we're gonna chop our tomato, which will add to the guacamole. You don't want it to be too much. Some people put onions. When I'm in a hurry, I don't have time to start chopping onions. I just put my guacamole and tomato. That's enough for me. What I actually look forward to is the tingly sensation I get from the lime. So we have our the pesto and mortar, and I'm gonna mash it a little bit, not too much. I love this little thing. It does the assignment. It knows its assignment. Then I'll put my tomato in it and a little bit of mashing. You don't want to mash it too much. You put salt. I can tell you how much salt you're gonna add to yours. You know how you like your seasoning. I'm not a food specialist or something. I'm just seasoning how I want mine. And a little bit of pepper. So you're gonna taste and see, is your salt enough? You have add a little bit. That's enough salt. And now you're gonna put, I'm telling you, this is a game changer right here. When you add that, rinse my hands. And you stir together. See, it's kind of the lime we add just make it soft. Now it's soft. And you are all set. I'm telling you, about 3 to 4 persons can use this, which is just half of the guacamole. So I'm just gonna take my bread. I'm in a hurry, so I don't have time to start toasting. So take your bread and slap it right in. Take your coffee or whatever you're gonna drink it with, and you are all set. I love it. I love a lot of guacamole, so I don't know how you like it, but I love me a lot of guacamole. I cannot have too much of it, like enough of it. I just love it. So the leftover, if you are all by yourself, scoop and keep it. Don't let it more than a day. When you come by following day, you will not like the color, so you end up wasting it. Scoop and keep it. Later in the day, you can just go back and take a little bit of it and maybe your cookie biscuit or something. Just put it and you'll be all set. So that is our it's good. You're gonna love this. So what is our easy breakfast with avocado or guacamole? If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up. Tell us how you eat your guacamole with bread and how it affects your sugar. You guys have a great day. Don't forget, this is Grow with Ray. We're just trying to add something else to our channel. And I hope you guys will like this video. But remember, we are not food doctor or telling people how to live their life. We're just having fun and also telling people what I eat and what works for me. Okay, you guys have a great day. Bye.